overlords and future AI overlords. I'm using Chrome and I'm at google.com, and today is February 8th, 2024, the next chapter of the Gemini era, bringing Gemini models to more products. Well, this looks exciting. Okay, the next chapter of our Gemini era. Cool, help me write, Gemini Advanced, summarize. Cool. That looks very cool. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So for years, we've been investing deeply in AI as the single best way to improve search in all of our products. True, awesome. We're excited by the progress, for example, with our Search Generative Experience, or SGE, which you can try in Search Labs. The Search Generative Experience is very cool because it's search and it's Bard / Gemini. It's a whole different experience. I've used it. It's a weird mix, but it's it's definitely better than just plain old Google, to be honest. So AI now is central to two businesses that have grown rapidly in recent years: our cloud and workspace services and our popular subscription service, Google One, which is just about to cross 100 million subscribers. And I am a Google One subscriber. Yes, the lowest tier plan, but I do have it. Let's see here. So a new state of the art. So in December, we took a significant step on our journey to make AI more helpful for everyone. The start of the Gemini era. Yep, we did a whole thing on that. It was super cool, setting a new state of the art across a wide range of text, image, audio, and video benchmarks. However, Gemini is evolving to be more than just models. Yeah, when that launched, they launched the Google Gemini Ultra, the Pro, and the Nano. However, Gemini is evolving to be more than just models. It supports an entire ecosystem from products that billions of people use every day to the APIs and platforms helping developers and businesses innovate. So the model Ultra 1.0 is the first to outperform human experts on massive multitask language understanding, MMLU, which uses a combination of 57 subjects, including math, physics, history, law, medicine, and ethics, to test knowledge and problem-solving abilities. Today we're taking our next step in bringing Ultra to our products and the world. So now they're introducing Gemini Advanced. So Bard has been the best way for people to directly experience your most capable models. And I love Bard. Bard is my favorite chatbot. What are you going to do, Google? I'm excited. I'm worried. To reflect the advanced tech at its core, Bard will now simply be called Gemini. Okay, cool. I was just kind of wondering if Bard was going to stick around, and I was literally wondering it today. So cool. Okay, so it's available in 40 languages on the web and is coming to the new Gemini app on Android and on Google app on iOS. Oh, finally an app. Finally an app. Yes, thank you, Google. That's the one thing, like Microsoft Copilot has an app on mobile. ChatGPT has had an app on mobile for quite some time. Love them, so this is wonderful. So the version with Ultra will be called Gemini Advanced, a new experience far more capable at reasoning, following instructions, coding, and creative collaboration. So for example, it can be a personal tutor tailored to your learning style, or it can be a creative partner helping you plan a content strategy or build a business plan. You can read more in this post. Yeah, we'll definitely check it out. So you can start using Gemini Advanced by subscribing to the new Google One AI Premium plan, which offers the best of Google's AI features in a single space. This premium plan builds off the popular Google One service, expanding storage and exclusive product features. Okay, cool. So bringing Gemini's capabilities to more products. So Gemini models are also coming to products that people and businesses use every day, including Workspace and Cloud. So Workspace, already more than 1 million people using features like Help Me Write, which I've used. It's awesome in Gmail. Help Me Write is wonderful. To enhance their productivity and their creativity through Duet AI. Now, Duet AI is for that, it's for the Google Business Workspace tool. So Duet AI will become Gemini for Workspace, and soon consumers with Google One AI Premium plan can use Gemini in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Meet. So, okay, this is cool. So now, if you get a Google One AI Premium plan, then you get the Gemini enabled docs. So this is like, this is like getting the Copilot enablement that Microsoft, that you do the subscription for, added to your Microsoft 365 personal and family. So anyway, Google Cloud for cloud customers, Duo AI will also become Gemini in the coming weeks. Gemini will help companies boost productivity, developers code faster, and organizations protect themselves from cyber attacks, along with countless other benefits. So that's the thing. AI is being infused into everything. This isn't just, Google's been doing AI forever. Microsoft too. Most tech companies have been doing AI for a very long time. They've seen the vision, it's incredible, it's amazing. But now it's just like becoming super powered, it's incredible. Okay, so more to come. So developers have been fundamental to every major technology shift and will play an equally important role in the Gemini ecosystem. Hundreds of thousands of developers and businesses have already been building with Gemini models. While today is about Gemini Advanced and its new capabilities, next week we'll share more details about what's coming for developers and cloud customers. These latest updates reflect how we're approaching innovation boldly and advancing and deploying this technology responsibly. And we're already underway training the next iteration of our Gemini models, so stay tuned for more. So that's very good. This is really exciting. It's super exciting. Now, check out this. Bard becomes Gemini. Try Ultra 1.0 and the new mobile app today. Let's check this out. So this also posted. So Bard becomes Gemini. Bye Bard. Hello Gemini. Try Ultra 1.0 and a new mobile app today. Okay. So Bard is now known as Gemini. We're rolling out a mobile app and Gemini Advanced with Ultra 1.0. So, okay, cool. All right, the mobile app looks sweet. I'm so used to the web app, but I'm so glad they're launching a mobile app. So since we launched Bard last year, people all over the world have used it to collaborate with AI in a completely new way to prepare for job interviews, debug code, brainstorm new business ideas, or as we announced last week, create captivating images. Yes, so they were able to actually use the Imagine 2 inside of Bard, now Gemini, to create images, and it's pretty sweet. I've been playing with it. I really like it. I did a video on it, super cool. And I tell you, I was telling some friends, the thing I love about when you're creating images, it creates diverse images of diverse people and stuff like that. It's so cool. Anyway, very inclusive. Our mission with Bard has always been to give you direct access to our AI models, and Gemini represents our most capable family of models. So to reflect this, Bard will now be simply known as Gemini. You can already chat with Gemini with our Pro 1.0 model in over 40 languages in 230 countries and territories. And now we're bringing you two new experiences, Gemini Advanced and a mobile app to help you collaborate with the best of Google AI. Very cool. So Gemini is replacing Bard, and then the launching, okay, now access to our most capable AI model with Gemini Advanced. Today we're launching Gemini Advanced, a new experience that gives you access to the Ultra 1.0, our largest, most capable, state-of-the-art AI model in blind evaluations with third-party raters. Gemini Advanced with Ultra 1.0 is now the most preferred chatbot compared to leading alternatives. So with our Ultra 1.0 model, Gemini Advanced is far more capable at highly complex tasks like coding, logical reasoning, following nuanced instructions, and collaborating on creative projects. So Gemini Advanced not only allows you to have longer, more detailed conversations, it also better understands the context from previous prompts. For example, Gemini Advanced can be your personal tutor, creating step-by-step instructions, sample quizzes, or back-and-forth discussions tailored to your learning style. It can help you with more advanced coding scenarios, serving as a sounding board for ideas and helping you evaluate different coding approaches. It can help digital creators go from idea to creation by generating fresh content, analyzing recent trends, and brainstorming improved ways to grow audiences. So the first version of Gemini Advanced reflects our current advances in AI reasoning and will continue to improve. As we add new and exclusive features, Gemini Advanced users will have access to expanded multimodal capabilities, more interactive coding features, deeper data analysis capabilities, and more. Gemini Advanced is available today in more than 150 countries and territories, and we'll expand it to more languages over time. This is so exciting. So Gemini Advanced is available as part of our new Google One AI premium plan for $19.99 a month. That seems to be the rate everyone is going for. Microsoft, OpenAI, their premium service plan is $20 a month. So starting with a 2-month trial at no cost. Thank you, Google. 2 free months to try it out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's awesome. So this plan gives you the best of Google AI and our latest advancements, along with the benefits of the existing Google One Premium plan, such as 2 terabytes of storage. Ooh, that's nice. In addition, AI Premium subscribers will soon be able to use Gemini in Gmail, Docs, Slide Sheets, and more. Okay, see, that's the thing that like they need to get on that, because if you're paying $20, like we get the 2-month trial, and maybe that 2-month trial is okay as long as after that 2 months, within that 2-month time frame, they need to have the Duet AI Gemini version already in there, because today Microsoft Copilot does it today inside their tools. So we continue to take bold and responsible approach to bringing this technology to the world and to mitigate issues like unsafe content or bias. We've built safety into our products in accordance with our AI principles. Before launching Gemini Advanced, we conducted extensive trust and safety checks, including external red teaming. We further refined the underlying model using fine-tuning and reinforcement learning based on human feedback. You can find more detail in our updated Gemini technical report. See, I love they provide the background information about their technology. I mean, it feels more legitimate, it feels more open. It's very cool. I really like that. So easily use Gemini on your phone. We've heard you wanted an easier way to access Gemini on your phone. Yes, using Bard in a browser on my phone was okay. It wasn't great. I'll be honest. I've wanted an app. It's been probably my #1 complaint with the Bard thing, because I still love Bard, even without the app. Now with an app, it's going to be awesomer. All right, so we've heard that you wanted an easier way to access Gemini on your phone. So today we're starting to roll out a new mobile experience for Gemini and Gemini Advanced with a new app on Android and in the Google app on iOS. So with Gemini on your phone, you can type, talk, and add an image for all kinds of help while you're on the go. You can take a picture of your flat tire and ask for instructions. That would be me. Generate a custom image for your dinner party invitation. Ask for help writing a difficult text message. It's an important first step in building a true AI assistant, one that is conversational, multimodal, and helpful. Well, yeah, that's awesome. So Android. On Android, Gemini is a new kind of assistant that uses generative AI to collaborate with you and help you get things done. So with my Google Pixel, the assistant is powered by Bard. So it looks like Gemini, so it looks like, well, now that Bard's going away, it's Gemini, so Google Assistant is powered by Gemini. If you download the Gemini app or opt in through Google Assistant, you'll be able to access it from the app or anywhere else you normally activate Google Assistant. Hitting the power button, corner swiping on your phone, saying the magic words. This will enable a new overlay experience that offers easier access to Gemini as well as contextual help right on your screen. So you can, for instance, generate a caption for a picture you've just taken or ask questions about an article you're reading. Many Google Assistant voice features will be available through the Gemini app, including setting timers, making calls, controlling your smart home devices, and working to support more in the future. So this is that transition. This is that painful transition where you go from an older tool that you've used for a while that you know how to use to a newer tool that doesn't have all the same functionality because it's transitioning and stuff like that. Man, yeah, with the advancements in technology, it's like, why? I mean, I know transitions take transition time, but goodness sake, it's a painful thing to move forward yet move backwards at the same time. It's just crazy. You'd think they would help you move forward, and every time you upgrade to a new system, you're not compromising on things or waiting for features to show up that you're used to using all the time. They should just be there. Anyway, sorry, rant. Let's see here. So for instance, you can, Google Assistant voice features will be available through the Gemini app and working to support more in the future. Very cool. On iOS, we'll roll out access to Gemini right from the Google app in the coming weeks. Just tap the Gemini toggle and chat with Gemini to supercharge your creativity, create custom images, and help write social posts and even plan a date night from the Google app. Cool. We can't wait for you to try it. No, that's very cool. So Gemini is rolling out on Android and iOS phones in the US in English starting today and will be fully available in the coming weeks. Starting next week, you'll be able to access it in more locations in English and in Japanese and Korean, with more countries and languages coming soon. Try out the latest updates and share your feedback and help us make the experience even better. So this is awesome. So awesome. I am just so excited. It's truly just really amazing. So I'm going to go to bard.google.com like I normally do. And boom, check it out. Gemini. And you can see you can upgrade to Gemini Advanced. There's my little face. You can see the welcome. Hello, James. How can I help you today? You've got these suggestions, which are great. You've got your conversations are processed by human reviewers to improve the technology powering Gemini apps. Do not enter anything you wouldn't want reviewed or used. I totally yes, be careful. And you've got enter your prompt here. You got your ability to upload an image and use the microphone. So you've got your settings, you got your activity, you got your help. So this is great. I'm going to click on help. I'm going to click on updates, release updates, 24/2/08 today. Bard is now Gemini. What? Gemini is the best way to get direct access to Google AI. All the collaborative capabilities you know and love are still here and will keep getting better in the Gemini era. We've also evolved the UI to reduce visual distractions, improve legibility, and simplify navigation. Why? We're committed to giving everyone direct access to Google AI. And as of this week, every Gemini user across our supported countries and languages has access to Google's best family of AI models. To better reflect this commitment, we've renamed Bard to Gemini. So this is where they're saying, try Gemini Advanced to access Google's most capable AI model. Ultra 1.0, what Gemini Advanced gives you access to our most capable AI model, Ultra 1.0. If you want to be one of the first to access Google's latest AI advancements as they become available, this is for you. With our Ultra 1.0 model, Gemini Advanced is far more capable of highly complex tasks like coding, logical reasoning, following notes, instructions, and creative collaboration. Plus, Gemini Advanced will continue to expand with new exclusive features in the coming months, including expanded multimodal capabilities, even better coding features, as well as the ability to upload and more deeply analyze files, documents, and data, and more. Google Advanced is a paid plan available in over 150 countries and territories. It's available and optimized only for English with our Ultra 1.0 model, but can respond to queries in other languages that Gemini is available in. So why? So this is that $20 a month, Gemini Advanced, Google One premium plan that you have to pay for. So why? With Google Gemini Advanced, you can be one of the first to try our most capable model, Ultra 1.0, and Ultra was in the Google Gemini model family it has the highest capabilities for the most complex tasks. So while the Pro model was versatile and balanced, it's far more powerful than that, while the Nano was really for on-device mobile apps, like on the Pixel, for instance. So this is really exciting. So we're just getting started with Gemini Advanced. We'll continue to get even better. We invite you to join us on this journey. So chat to supercharge your ideas in the Gemini app. So what? Get help learning in new ways, writing thank you notes, planning events, and more Google AI on your phone. Gemini is integrated with Google apps like Gmail, Maps, and YouTube, make it easy to get things done on your phone. You can interact with it through text, voice, and images. To chat with Gemini on Android, download the Gemini app in the Google Play Store. On iOS, try Gemini in the Google app. So the Gemini app will be launching on select devices in English in the US in the coming days. It will be available in Japanese, Korean, and English globally, except for the UK, Switzerland, European Economic Area countries, and associated territories. More countries and languages will be coming soon. So why? This is a step towards our vision to deliver the world's most helpful AI assistant. So now available in Canada. So this is very exciting. So basically, the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to update my, I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to definitely go out here and I'm going to upgrade to Gemini Advanced. I'm going to see, is it worth the $20 a month? I'm going to, once they add the Duet AI features that allow me to use Gemini with, all the Google Workspace tools, that will be great. And I will definitely check that out. But this is fantastic news. I'm so excited to get the Android app and then to get the Google app updated with Gemini on iOS. And I'm wondering if it'll be optimized for iPads on iPadOS. So anyway, but very exciting. So Bard is gone. Gemini is the replacement. Long live Gemini. It was the model name for the Ultra Pro and Nano. It is the package name. It is the app name. So it's funny. It's like, it's a much better name than Bard. I mean, Bard is great. You think Shakespeare, it's very cool. I think, but Gemini has a very, kind of forward tech approach. And so I kind of dig that more as a brand. So Gemini is going to be great. And Gemini has been like, what, the tech world's been whispering about even prior to the announcement. So it's all been, ooh, Google's doing Gemini. Gemini's going to do all this great stuff. And clearly it is like powerful, capable, on-device, mobile, everywhere cloud integration. So this is very exciting. So Google is kind of doing what Microsoft has also recently been working on is, rebranding to Copilot. So their Bing chat now is Copilot. So you got Microsoft Copilot competing with Google Gemini, competing with OpenAI, ChatGPT. So, the next company that needs to like rebrand everything is going to be OpenAI. But anyway, this is very exciting. So I'm going to subscribe and I'm going to test it out and I will be back with another video. Thank you for just watching me read these videos. Check out these pages, check out these YouTube videos, and, welcome to Gemini, the Gemini era, the next story in the Gemini era has started, and it's very exciting. And I can't wait to be using Ultra 1.0 and see if it really is a very different experience. So very exciting stuff. Anyway, see you in the next video.